the ultimate guide to digital decluttering, how to streamline your digital life. Welcome to the digital age, where our lives are constantly intertwined with technology. From smartphones to laptops, social media to streaming platforms, we live in a world that is always connected. But with this constant connectivity comes an overwhelming amount of digital clutter, countless files, notifications, and apps vying for our attention. If you're feeling lost amidst the chaos of your digital life, fear not. In this ultimate guide to digital decluttering, we will walk you through step by step on how to streamline your digital existence and find peace in the midst of all the virtual noise. Get ready to regain control over your devices and create a harmonious relationship between yourself and technology like never before. What is digital decluttering? Digital decluttering is the process of organizing and streamlining your digital life. This can be anything from purging old files and emails to streamlining your social media accounts. The goal is to declutter your digital life so that it is more manageable and efficient. There are many benefits to digital decluttering, such as reducing stress, saving time, and improving productivity. If you are feeling overwhelmed by your digital life, it may be time to consider decluttering it. Here are some tips on how to get started. 1. Start with a purge. Go through all of your files, folders, and emails, and delete anything that you no longer need or use. This will help to reduce the amount of clutter in your digital life. 2. Organize what's left. Once you have purged what you don't need, take some time to organize the remaining files and folders. Create a system that works for you so that you can easily find what you are looking for when you need it. 3. Streamline your social media. Take a look at all of the social media accounts that you have and determine which ones are really necessary. If there are any that you don't use regularly or that add little value to your life, consider getting rid of them. This will help to declutter your social media feeds and make them more manageable. 4. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails. Do a clean sweep of your email inbox and unsubscribe from any emails that are no longer relevant or beneficial to you. This will help reduce the amount of clutter in your inbox and make it easier to find important emails when you need them. Digital decluttering can help to reduce stress, save time, and improve productivity. If you're feeling overwhelmed by your digital life, it may be time to consider decluttering it. By following these tips, you can start organizing and streamlining your digital life today. Benefits of digital decluttering. When you digital declutter, you can expect a few key benefits that will help you in both your personal and professional life. For starters, you'll find it much easier to focus and be productive when your digital world is free of distractions and unnecessary files. You'll also enjoy greater peace of mind knowing that your important files are well organized and backed up. And lastly, you'll save time and frustration by having a streamlined system for managing your digital life. 1. Improved focus and productivity. A cluttered digital environment can be distracting and lead to procrastination. But when everything is organized and streamlined, it's much easier to concentrate on the tasks at hand. 2. Increased peace of mind. When your important documents are stored safely in an organized system, you can relax knowing that you'll always have them when you need them. 3. Better use of time. Without a well-organized digital filing system, it can take hours to find the right document or file. But with a clear system for storing and sorting files, you'll save time and frustration every time you need to locate something quickly.
Also subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive more such useful and interesting videos.